How to make a playlist in Spotify app. So if you want to make a playlist in Spotify app, then first of all you have to open up your Spotify application, and after opening your application you have to simply choose a song that you would like to add to your playlist. So for example, I'll be choosing this song, and after choosing your song you have to go to the upper right corner which has a three dots icon. Simply tap on that, and then here you will have a bunch of options. So you can simply go to add to playlist, and from here you can add your song to your existing playlist, or you can also create a new playlist. So to create you have to simply tap on new playlist, and then you can give a name to your playlist, and after that you can simply tap on create, and that's it. That's how you create a Spotify playlist. And now you can go to your library which is on the bottom right corner, and here you will have your playlist. So that's it, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.